Well, howdy, folks. I'm Freddie from Sasco Pavement Coatings here in Springfield, Missouri. You know that sinking feeling when you walk out to your parking lot after a tough Missouri winter and see new cracks everywhere? What if I told you there's a sealer that can protect your pavement for up to 10 years, save you thousands in repairs, and keep looking good through everything Mother Nature throws at it? In the next 10 minutes, I'm going to show you exactly why Star Seal Supreme isn't just another sealer. It's the premium protection your pavement deserves. I've been in the pavement preservation business here in Missouri for over 20 years, and Sasco's been protecting surfaces since 1979. We manufacture our own sealers right here in Springfield, which means we control quality from start to finish. Today, we're diving deep into our premium product Star Seal Supreme. I'll show you what makes it different, when to use it, and why property managers from Kansas City to Little Rock choose it for their most important projects. If this helps you make better decisions about your pavement, give me a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more pavement preservation tips every week. Now let's talk about what you're really dealing with when it comes to pavement protection. See, here in the Midwest, our pavements take a beating. We've got freeze-thaw cycles that'll crack concrete, UV rays that break down asphalt binders, and temperature swings that'll make your pavement expand and contract like an accordion. Most property managers I talk to are using basic sealers that last maybe 3 to 5 years if they're lucky. Then they're back out there spending money again, dealing with the hassle, and watching their pavement deteriorate a little more each cycle. The thing is, that approach actually costs you more in the long run. Think about it, if you're resealing every 3 years at say $5,000 a pop, you're spending $15,000 over 9 years plus all that downtime and disruption. But what if you could get 10 years of protection for $7,500? That's exactly what Star Seal Supreme delivers. Now I know what you're thinking. Freddie, what makes this premium sealer worth twice the price? Well, that's where things get interesting, and it all comes down to the polymer chemistry. Star Seal Supreme isn't just regular sealer with a fancy name. This is a hot blended catalyzed rubber polymer system that we've engineered specifically for demanding applications. Let me break that down in plain English. See, regular sealers are like a raincoat. They'll keep water out for a while, but they're not built for the long haul. Star Seal Supreme is more like armor plating. Those polymer chains create a flexible, durable film that actually gets stronger as it cures. We're talking 1,200 psi tensile strength. That's strong enough to handle heavy traffic without tearing or scuffing. But here's the brilliant part. It maintains flexibility down to -20 degrees Fahrenheit. So when that Missouri winter hits and your pavement contracts, Supreme moves with it instead of cracking. But strength and flexibility are just part of the story. The real magic happens with UV protection. Our refined tar base, combined with these polymers, blocks 98% of damaging UV radiation. That's what keeps your pavement looking black and new for years instead of fading to gray. Now let me show you something that'll really get your attention. We recently completed a project at the Springfield Branson Airport. That's heavy-duty commercial traffic, jet fuel spills, extreme weather conditions. 3 years later, the Star Seal Supreme sections still look like we just applied them yesterday. And here's a real-world example from right here in Springfield. Captain George's restaurant has been using our services for years. We applied Star Seal Supreme to their parking lot in 2019. And despite thousands of cars, delivery trucks, and everything from ice storms to 100-degree summers, that lot still performs like new. What really sets Supreme apart is our application process. We use specialized equipment that maintains exact temperature control that's critical for proper polymer activation. Our neoprene squeegee systems apply exactly 0.04 to 0.06 gallons per square yard, ensuring you get the full protection without wasting material. Now, here's where Supreme really shines. High-value applications where failure isn't an option. We're talking municipal facilities, medical complexes, retail centers, anywhere you've got liability concerns or can't afford multiple disruptions. Take the city of Springfield's municipal complex. They were tired of resealing every few years and dealing with budget cycles. We applied Star Seal Supreme 5 years ago, and it's still performing at better than 90% effectiveness. That saved them 2 full resealing cycles and tens of thousands of dollars. But here's what really makes Sasco different. We don't just sell you a product and walk away. When you choose Star Seal Supreme, you get our full engineering support. That means proper surface prep evaluation, application specifications tailored to your specific conditions, and a performance warranty that backs up everything I've told you. We've even got DOT and Army Corps of Engineers specifications for Supreme. That's the kind of third-party validation you can't get with commodity sealers. So let me recap what Star Seal Supreme gives you. 10-year protection instead of 3 to 5. Polymer-enhanced durability that handles everything from heavy traffic to extreme weather, and long-term cost savings that can literally cut your pavement maintenance budget in half. If you're a property manager dealing with pavement headaches or a municipal official trying to stretch maintenance budgets, this is exactly the kind of solution that changes everything. Here's what I want you to do next. Give us a call at Sasco. Our number's right there on screen. We'll come out and evaluate your specific situation. No cost, no obligation. We'll tell you exactly what condition your pavement's in and whether Supreme is the right choice for your application. You can also head over to sascopavementcoating.com to download our complete specification sheets and see more project case studies. And if you're here in Missouri, Arkansas, Kansas, or Oklahoma, come visit our facility here at 718 Broadview Place in Springfield. I'd love to show you how we make this stuff and why quality control matters so much in pavement preservation. Next week, I'm going to show you our crack sealing systems and why fixing cracks before they spread can save you thousands. Make sure you're subscribed so you don't miss it. And hey, if you've got pavement challenges you'd like me to address in future videos, drop them in the comments below. I read every single one, and your questions help me make better content for everyone. Until next time, this is Freddie from Sasco Pavement Coatings. Keep those pavements protected, and we'll see you next week.